A pleasant good morning and a warm welcome to all dear parents and lovely children. On behalf of State Anandaram Jaipuriya School, I, Bhavna Agarwal, will like to welcome our vivacious, dynamic, and charming chief guest for the day, our respected principal cum director, Mrs. Manjurana ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing some time from your busy schedule. I know you remain so busy, but thank you so much for joining in, ma'am,
Oh,
and welcome
it's
to
always
today's
a
show.
pleasure.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am.
Bhavna.
Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to welcome our headmistress for school, Mrs. Indu Kohli. She's a passionate worker and a motivator, and who always encourages us to go beyond our limits. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome. Ma'am is here now. I would also like to welcome our pre-primary coordinator, Mrs. Kabila Rawat ma'am, who always stand by us and motivate us to experiment and uh, excel to the limits. Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank you,
and
Bhavna.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would also like to extend my warm welcome to our judge for the day, Ms. Neelam Singh, who is firstly a mother, a chartered accountant by profession, and she's also running her own law firm. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion and being here with us today.
Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, Miss
Last,
Neelam. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Last but not the least, the second judge for the event is one of the members of our Jaipuriya family, a colleague and an experienced pre-primary teacher, Miss Mansi Ori. Mansi ma'am, welcome.
Good morning.
And now I'd like to invite my coordinator for class prep, Shalini ma'am, who's always there behind us for whatever we do. Welcome, Shalini ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavna. My pleasure.
Our pleasure is all mine, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, parents, so parents, competition are an amazing learning experience for children as it gives them an opportunity to explore their hidden talents. Such presentations are an excellent platform for our young learners to express themselves freely and confidently. Today's fancy dress competition is an icebreaker for children to bring their imaginary fantasy world to reality. With this note, let's begin as our little stars are ready with their magical performance. So, all the best, children. Let's begin. Okay? So, the first participant for the day have come straight from the southern part of our country, a state that is blessed with natural beauty, timeless tradition, and has the highest rate of literacy. So, let's welcome Aditya straight from the state of Kerala. Welcome, Aditya.
Hello, ma'am.
Start, Aditya, start, beta.
Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Iyer from Kerala. Kerala is in South India. Kerala is famous for beaches and harbors. The main festival of Kerala is Onam. The famous dance of Kerala is Kathakali. Kathakali. In Kerala, we eat fish like yellow trout. In Kerala, we speak Malayalam. Thank you. I love
Well done. Very nice, Aditya. Very nice. Well done.
How cute. Now, Mr. Iyer, we
Ayo.
need to we need to visit Kerala very soon.
Yes, it's a beautiful state. You must go, ma'am. All right. So let's go to the next one. Are you excited? Okay, let's make us some guesses. The next participant is a lip smacking 2-minute snack loved by all. So we always encourage eating healthy, but sometimes you can also cheat, isn't it? I know we can do some cheating sometimes, right? So let's welcome Ayan as Yummy Maggie. Ayan, over to you.
Yes, good Maggie, Maggie, Maggie. Yes, I am Maggie. All children love me.
Nice. Very nice, very nice. You all want to have yummy, yummy Maggie, huh? Tomorrow is Sunday. He's saying Sunday is a Maggie day, so we all can have Maggie.
Sunday is a Maggie day, huh, Ayan? So we all can have Maggie tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is Sunday.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're looking very nice, and you spoke very well.
Kabila, we can't promote junk food in the school. So no Maggie day. Yeah.
All right, so let's move forward for the next participant. And the next participant is a true inspiration for all of us, an example of dedication and determination. Where there is a will, there is a way. So let's welcome Diksha as a world famous one and the only lady boxer from India, Mary Kom. Where's our boxer?
my name is Mariko. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Diksha Tomar. I am playing role of Maricom in fancy dress competition. My name is Maricom. I was born on 1st March 1983. I am five-time world champion in boxing. I got the award the year 2020. I am an Olympic bronze medalist. I got the highest Celine award for India. Thank you.
Well done. Very nice, Diksha. Very nice, Mary Kom. Well spoke. Okay, should we go forward? Are you ready? Okay, the next participant is a toy, a doll. Dolls are some of the oldest toys that we all have ever played with. They are a wonderful medium for developing creativity, imagination, and compassion in children. So let's call upon the next participant, Dhwani, as a famous and fashionable doll, the Barbie.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Punijan. I am Barbie doll. I love rock and roll. All girls are my best friend. I am sing and dance also. I am Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Yummy chastic, fantastic. You can bust my heart. Nothing impress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation. Come, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. I am. Come, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. Come, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. I am. Come, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. Thank you.
We have got a Barbie doll. Lovely. Very nice. Beautiful, cute little Barbie doll. Very nice,
Dhwani is
Dhwani.
actually looking like a Barbie, a little doll.
Yes. Well said, ma'am. All right. The next participant is a nature lover. He's going to sensitize us about safe environment. And today's the biggest threat is plastic. Plastic it has become our biggest threat for the nature and for our society. So it is our responsibility to work together to achieve a plastic-free society. So let's call upon Gaurang Jain, who's going to tell us how we can reduce the use of plastic and have a healthy and beautiful environment around us. All the best, Gaurang.
Hi, I'm Jan. My school name is school. My class. Now I'm going to tell you about
Gaurang, your voice is not audible, beta.
He's not audible.
You're not audible, Gaurang. You come closer to the camera or to the mic.
Gaurang, बेटा थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ.
Yes, yes. Now
हाँ.
speak.
और मम्मा को थोड़ा सा कैमरा एडजस्ट करने को.
एक मैम थोड़ा सा कैमरा ऊपर कीजिए. गौरांग का फेस नहीं दिख रहा आपको. Yes, now perfect. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I am Gaurang. My school name is Anand Ramchandra School. Now I am going to tell you about plastic. Why am plastic bag? Plastic is a synthetic material. How and anyone
Bhavna, I guess there are some
Yeah.
network
Yes.
issues, right?
Yes.
So we can go
Gaurang,
to the next participant. Maybe he can, we can give him a chance later on.
Gaurang, you arrange your connection. We'll come to you later on. Okay? All right? Don't worry. We're going to hear you. Don't worry about it. Okay, so let's move forward for the next participant. That is a small little girl, Manasvi. God cannot be everywhere, so he created माँ. And so हम भगवान को ना भूलें इसलिए उसने बेटियां बनाई. A girl child is like a bud. Let her bloom and be a flower of future. So let's welcome a small little daughter, Manasvi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Manasvi Chaudhary. I know that you all must be thinking about my theme. Today, I am not following any theme, but also I want to give you a message that save girl child to save future generation. Girls are the spirit of our nation. Save them and stop their exploitation. Now, I would like to share a Hindi rhyme on Safe Daughter. शाम हो गई अब तो घूमने चलो ना पापा चलते चलते थक गई कंधे पे बिठा लो ना पापा मम्मी तो सो गई आप ही थपकी देकर सुलाओ ना पापा अंधेरे से डर लगता है सीने से लगा लो ना पापा स्कूल तो पूरी हो गई कॉलेज पापा पोस कर बड़ा किया अपने से जुदा तो करो ना पापा अब जब डोली में बिठा ही दिया आंसू मत बहो ना पापा आपकी मुस्कुराहट अच्छी है एक बार मुस्कुराओ ना पापा आपने मेरी हर बात मानी एक बात और मान जाओ ना पापा बोझ नहीं इस धरती पर बेटियां अब ये दुनिया को समझाओ ना पापा थैंक यू
Well done, Manasvi. Well done. I also remember my papa now.
Lovely, Manasvi. आपने बेटा रुला दिया. इतनी अच्छी लाइन बोली आपने. Very nice. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely, I agree with Kabila.
Yes.
You know, such a love. We always talk about mom, mom, mom. You know, so it was so lovely to hear. And you know, yeah, I started missing my dad more today, though I always miss him every day. But then, our parents are special.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Very
Yeah.
beautiful, beta.
Very
बहुत
nice.
अच्छा,
Very nice.
बहुत अच्छा. Very
Thank
confident.
you.
Okay. With this emotional note, let's move. Okay, Shivin. So today with us, we have a fascinating pencil with us. We always know we use pencil for writing, and we've been using pencil for years, and we keep using it. Is that? But today's pencil is little special. It can not only write, but it can talk as well. So let's hear. Call upon Shivin as fascinating pencil. Welcome, Shivin.
A very good morning to an all present. Here, my name is Shrimit Athana. I study in St. Island Ramdepriya School. Fascinating pencil. Yes, you heard it right. A living, walking, talking, prophetic pencil. Today, share the lessons of my life. I hope you like it. Like others, I also make mistakes. But my friend eraser helps me to correct them. Do you know when you sharpen me? It pains a lot. But that is the only way to be useful. I always leave a mark wherever I move. See this one. Last but not the least, there is a hand that guides me always, and that is my God. So, friends, next time use me with love and care. Thank you.
Wow, what an amazing
Lovely,
answer.
Shiven.
Love.
Thank you,
Very nice.
ma'am.
Very nice.
I
Very, very.
really admired his cap, which actually looked like the lead of a pencil, huh,
Yes,
Shiven?
Yeah, and
Ma'am.
Kavila, to add on, he's also very tall and looked like a pencil, you know,
Exactly.
with his attire. And, pencil always gives us a chance to do it again
True.
because you can erase it, you know. So I usually do a lot of my work with pencil. And when we were kids, it was more fancy to have a pencil than to have a pen. है ना? तो हमने बेटा बहुत पेंसिल से काम किया, मैं अभी भी पेंसिल से काम करती हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है पेंसिल से काम करना, and because it gives you a lot of opportunity to redo your things. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो बेटा, very cute, love you.
Shiven, I
nice.
must
I
tell
think each
you,
and
Manju ma'am sharpens her pencils herself क्योंकि
Yes.
उनको अपनी sharpen करी हुई pencil यूज करनी अच्छी लगती है, वो
और
stone की तरह
मेरे-
sharpen करनी चाहिए.
Yeah, and when I was a kid, I used to have a small, a little मम्मा का कोई पुराना बॉटल जिसमें मैं पेंसिल शेविंग्स इकट्ठी करती रहती थी, और जब वो पूरा फुल हो जाता था, then I used to go and throw it in a pot or somewhere, so that because it is biodegradable कि वो उससे कुछ some nutrients back to the soil or something like that. I remember you reminded me of that.
So you got an idea. You
Yes.
can also do this like ma'am used to do. We all can do it. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
this is-
you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go back to Gorang. He has joined in. So again, I welcome Gorang as plastic. Gorang, over to you. Yourself, let's first hear Gorang because he's here.
Hi,
Thank you,
good
sir.
morning, everyone. I'm Guranjan. My full name is Sid. And I love chapter 2. But now I'm going to tell you about plastic. Hi, I am plastic bag. Plastic is a synthetic material. Cow and animals eat plastic and die. Burning plastic causes air pollution. Make clothes from plastic waste. Plastic contaminates rivers and groundwater. Recycle and plastic into usable goods like house walls, flower pot, plastic dustbin. Please don't use plastic bags. Use jute bags. Thank you.
Well done, Gorang. Very nice.
Thank you, Gaurang. You conveyed a very nice message to everyone. Thank you so much. Everyone is going to use jute bags from now on.
Yeah, and we are a green school. So in our school, we are not allowed to use plastic at all. Not even plastic crayons. Ma'am, you're unmute. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
But Gorang was holding my favorite Lay's packet, green wala, and he tempted me to eat one in the evening with my snack. So Gorang, yes, we want the world plastic free, and I'm so happy as young children you are conveying this message to all your friends and all your elders. So excellent, wonderful, lovely thought.
All right, so let's move forward, and the next participant is going to tell you something about the technology. The technology, the revolution in the field of technology is very much experienced by all of us in our day-to-day life. At this time of pandemic, when laptops are busy in working 24/7, Shreyansh is going to tell the pain of a laptop, how he feels being used for the whole day. Over to you, Shreyansh. All the best.
Wow, Bhavna, that's your picture there.
Oh, it's me.
That's too.
I don't understand who's more painful.
Everyone, my name is Priyanshi Basta. Today I just as a lector. I am a Apple lector. I am so busy in current time. All my friends like HP, they are all busy. How's the laptop? Don't you cry. Mama Wi-Fi, use no Wi-Fi. Some people sometimes carry me to the washroom. I feel shy. I feel shy. Oh God, please Corona go soon. Me and my family get relaxed. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Well done, Shreyansh, and well spoke also. But Shreyansh, we can't help it actually. We need to work on laptops. It is a need of time.
But I really appreciate Shreyansh. He's been sitting for so long in
Yeah.
the chair, holding that prop in his hand.
Yes, yes,
और
ma'am.
बिल्कुल भी हिला नहीं Shreyansh. Very good.
Ma'am, he's very naughty otherwise, you know. He's very naughty. It's
हाँ,
very
but he was
difficult for
sitting
making
very
him sit in the
patiently.
class.
Very patiently.
Very nice, Shreyansh. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next participant is a fitness freak. He wants all of us to go for a healthy lifestyle. At the time of pandemic, we all has come to know about the healthy lifestyle and healthy life. So, and we all know healthy mind stays in healthy body. So here comes Riyansh, our six-pack boy, whose mantra of life is Swasth khao or Sehatmand ho jao. Over to you, Riyansh. All the best.
Hello. Oh, today's my speech. Let me eat first. Junk food? No, I don't like junk food. I hate this.
Oh my
Oh my God.
God. Shreyansh.
I don't think they are original.
What a strong boy.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Suryash, a six-pack boy. I am healthy and strong. I eat healthy food and do exercise daily. My parents say health is wealth. If we eat healthy food, our mind and body become strong. Our mother nature has created apple, banana, orange, and many other fruits and vegetables for us. Junk food is unhealthy and makes our body weak. It causes BP, sugar, overweight, and many other diseases. So please eat healthy food and do exercise regularly. This is my request to you. Thank you.
What a lovely message, Riyansh.
Lovely, Suryansh. I was admiring your six packs when you were
Thank you,
showing them
ma'am.
like this.
Actually, he was looking very cute. I know a lot of effort has gone into to prepare him the way he is. Uh, compliment to the parents. It's not easy to have everything available at home and make sure that he actually looks like a Superman. So for us, yes, he is a Superman. Superboy, I would say. We're so used to saying Superman, but I would say Superboy. Yeah, nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Well done, Sriyash, and I hope you all learned a message
Thank you,
from
ma'am.
him he wanted to convey to have a healthy life. Okay, the last participant for the day is a lovely, yummy pineapple. Bhumika is here with us, who's going to tell us about the goodness and the benefits of having pineapple every day. Over to you, Amika. Cute pineapple.
Hi, I'm Juicy and pretty and yellow in the color. I have crowned my head and queen of fruits. I have a giant seed and it's good for stomach. And everybody eat me so much. Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely. Cute pineapple.
वामी का इतना क्यूट पाइनएप्पल होगा तो उसको तो वैसे ही सब खा लेंगे and you are one of them.
Thank you, ma'am. Amika say thank you.
I never.
Ah,
Now is one of the following year yellow t-shirt में.
अच्छा मम्मा भी अच्छा
पर ये pineapple t-shirt नहीं है.
हाँ,
हाँ
मम्मी ने स्ट्रोक्स बनाए ना उस पे, वो दिख रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे बनाए हैं मम्मा ने.
cute pineapple.
Adorable.
Yesterday only I told him, I'm going to have you.
Hello friends, my name is Joy Bhaduraj. Greater Pet Gautam Buddha. Dharmam Pranam Gacchami. Dharmam Pranam Gacchami. Don't hurt anyone. Always be pure. Be kind to everyone. Be happy. Dharmam Charanam Gacchami. Dharmam Charanam Gacchami. Thank you. Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ivana Sundeva. Do you know who am I? Ha ha ha! I am coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. I came from China to attack you. Ha 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 ha! Corona, 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 corona. Be careful. I can cause cough, cold, fever, breathing problem. You protect yourself, wash your hands, soap regularly, wear mask, stay indoors, maintain social distancing, so stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Agastya Singh, and I am dressed up coronavirus. Hello, I am coronavirus. I have come to infect everyone. You, and you too. I am very dangerous. One touch, and I am make you ill. Very ill. No one can beat me. No one. What? What is this? No, don't use sanitizer. Oh no, they are wearing masks too. Now I have to leave. I have lost. अच्छा चलता हूँ. दुआ में याद रखना. मेरे जिक्र का सलामत रखना. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Do you know who I am? I am coronavirus. I have come from China. My best friends are cold, fever, breathing problem. I am very dangerous. To stay away from me, wash your hands, wear mask, stay at home, and keep distance for everyone. Only then you can win the coronavirus. Corona, corona, I am corona, 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 I am corona. Bye bye.
Okay, so with this, we have come to an end for today's fancy dress competition. Now I would like to invite our principal ma'am to please say a few kind words, ma'am.
You know, I said it all along while I was watching the program. So, you know, I completely forgot actually today that we had this fancy, because school is closed. And suddenly I got a call from Shalini. And thank you, Shalini, for reminding me. And I think it was such a wonderful morning to see all these children, putting up such wonderful effort. Early morning, they all got dressed up. And they did give a feel of how well they have been prepared. And I got a feel of a stage seeing all of them performing so well. So thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'm sure children also enjoyed putting it all together. And I'm so happy that even in during these pandemic times when we find it difficult how to do things, children along with the parents and teachers are finding out ways by which they can express themselves. So great, wonderful, and thank you so much. And have a great day ahead. Love you all, and bless you, bless all of you. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you,
No
ma'am.
matter wherever you are, you're always there to encourage us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Always love to be there. Thank you. Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much, ma'am.
ma'am. A
Bye.
big thank you to Miss Neelam as well. Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us today and
Thank you
judging
so
the show.
much. My pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you, Neelam, for joining in. I'm sure it is a tough job for you to judge
Very tough job, ma'am.
because
Like to kids
because
out of the
because I think you need to have a fresh pineapple
Yeah.
and and vegetables. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
and no Maggie, because if you want to become a super girl, you need to hear the super boy, the messages that the super boy gave us. So thank you, Neelam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for joining in. It's such a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavna, for
Thank you so much,
anchoring
ma'am.
the show
Thank
so
you.
Thank
well.
you. Thank
I
you, Bhavna, for putting it all together. You seem to be favorite. You were on the television screen that the child was holding, I believe. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. It was
Yeah. So you seem to be more popular than anybody else.
This is all your blessings, ma'am. This is all your
Yeah, yeah.
blessings.
Okay, darling. Okay, bye bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming
Thank
in.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
A big thank you to
Thank you, ma'am.
Shalini for
Yes.
coordinating everything. And Shalini is always there to support her teachers. Thank you, Shalini, for inviting me.
Good morning.
Pleasure is all
Mansi,
mine. Thank you so much, Mansi, Vijay sir,
Yes.
Bhavna,
Thank
Kapila ma'am,
pleasure, ma'am.
and of course,
Thanks.
Mr. King.
Yes, a big thank you to Mansi as well for judging the
Thank
show.
you.
Thank you, Mansi, and thank
Thank
you,
you,
Vijay
ma'am.
sir. Thank you very much, and a big thank you to all the young budding
Yes.
participants. Very well done, beta. आप सब बहुत confident थे. You all did your part very nicely. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kabla
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much for appreciation, encouragement. Thank you so much, Sheila ma'am. I hope you had a wonderful time, and it will be difficult for you to judge also as well.
Really very difficult, very tough job.
Thank you,
And
everyone.
I hope you liked.
Wonderful job.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Shalini ma'am. Thank you so much for putting in and making us to do something different all the time. Thank you, Mansi ma'am. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
coming in.
Bhavna, for calling me. Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am.
And congratulations and thank you to all dear parents and my lovely children for putting in lots of hard work, and your dedicated effort has been shown here. The kind of performance has been given by all the children here. Thank you so very much, making it even
Thank
more
you so
special.
much, ma'am.
Thank you, Bacha. Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
All the
with
best.
Peter, thank you, parents. Bye.
Bye. With this, we come to the end. All of everyone have a wonderful day ahead. Lovely weekend. Enjoy yourself.